Hello guys, welcome to another review with FX View. So we're going to review TD Ameritrade. So this broker meets the need of both active traders and beginner investors with quality trading platform, $0 commissions on online stock and options, and ETF trades, and a larger selection of mutual funds. So let's jump up on where this broker is good at. Well, Ameritrade requires a $0 minimum investment and delivers standout features including extensive and free research and data, portfolio building guidance, $0 commissions for stock, options and exchange traded fund trades, and nearly 300 branches for in-person customer support. Investors have a choice of 4 trading platforms: the web platform, and as you can see here on the picture, there is the Think or Swim desktop platform, which is I really recommend because I tried it myself, and it has a good monitors for idea generation. Also, there is another platform, or the third platform is Think or Swim web version, and a streamlined for traders that like to use their browser. Also, there is the mobile trading app that you can use on whether you have an Android or an iPhone. So what is Ameritrade is best for? Ameritrade is suitable for beginner investors, advanced traders, investor education and advice, commission-free trades, and fund investors. Also, Ameritrade uses a virtual trading simulator. Surprisingly, few online brokers offer this market trading accounts on their platforms. So, Ameritrade is one of them. It's paper money virtual simulator in a desktop-based platform geared toward advanced and frequent trades. It provides 100K dollars in practice money, along with access to margin account. It's available for free through the brokers, 2 platforms, and its mobile trader app. Also, non-customers can register for a free 16 days trial, a good way to test a new platform before committing to setting up a real money account. Bottom line, guys, Ameritrade is a rare broker that covers all the base and does it very well. For a broker with no commission on stock, ETF and options trade, clients get an impressive list of services including portfolio building guidance, hands-on investing courses, high-quality research, trading tools, and a wide selection of no transaction fee mutual funds. We only expect that roster to continue to improve when the brokers integrate with Charles Schwab is complete. Now let's see the funding and transfer section, and let's get a hint about how to fund your funds on this broker. The ways to fund: there are electronic bank deposit, for which has a deposit limit that starts from $15 to $215,000. And there is the wire transfer, which is no limit, but it takes up to 1 business day. And there is a check, there is account transfer from another firm, and of course a physical stock certificate that takes up to 1 business day also. Now we are going to jump up to account types that Ameritrade has. As you can see, there is a standard account that have to gain flexibility and access to comprehensive investment products. They can be individual or joint accounts and can be upgraded for options, futures, and forex trading as well. There is the retirement accounts, and there is an educational accounts to plan and invest for a brighter future with TD Ameritrade, offering flexibility when it comes to saving for education. Also, there is specialty accounts from individual trust and pension plans to business partnership. There is the managed portfolios, save time and stay invested for the long term. Let's see where Ameritrade shines. In my opinion, and in this review, commission free trades is the best that have happened to Ameritrade because it dropped its trading commission, which considers high compared with other discount brokers. There is a tradable securities, and there is the investor education and support. There is so much available in every format: videos, articles, slideshows, and quizzes, as well as ongoing live online seminars and in-branch presentations. Also, there is the virtual trading simulator. That was it, guys. See you on another video, in another review, and another broker. Take care of yourselves.